Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. F and A to the power of B equals to B F and 8. So 8 that is about 10x, B that is about 2025. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to Fn of tan x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. This one we change for u. This one we change for the u. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.